Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a savings account with Discover Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a savings account with Discover Bank, begin by visiting the Discover Bank website. Look for the Savings Accounts section on the home page. Click on this section to view your options. Choose the type of savings account that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the Open Account button. You will be directed to the online application form. Fill out your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your employment details and financial information. Be sure to enter your contact information accurately, including your email and phone number. Once all fields are completed, review your entries for accuracy. After confirming your information, proceed to the next section. You may be asked to set up your account preferences, such as whether you want paper statements or online access. Link a funding account to transfer initial funds into your new savings account. Input the details of this external bank account carefully. Review Discover Bank's terms and conditions before agreeing to them. After accepting the terms, submit your application. You will receive a notification of your application status. If approved, you will gain access to your new savings account. Log into your account using the credentials you set up during the application. Congratulations, your Discover Bank savings account is now active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.